Okay, starting a new packrafting trip. Lots of beaver signs on the tree stumps there. I've prepared my raft. Also, the boat is now very full. There is firewood in there. I have a kota and the stove in there. So yeah, let's see if I can fit myself in there. Not the most stable boating position, but doable. I'm looking for a nice campsite. It is the bird nesting season, so I think I will leave the more grass filled areas alone, like here. There's a couple of swans swimming there. Very nice. I think I will try to find a western shore opening to the west, so I get the evening sun there. So this is how I am sitting in the canoe at the moment. It's very unstable, but still doable. Okay, looks nice. So the kota is up and my camp is ready. The chair, which is very bright in the picture, is a new thing. Okay, it's just the old thermarest, but the chair thing is new. Alright, nice. I have the double wide mattress for myself. This is like a glamping thing. And very nice evening. Sun is shining. Yeah, sit down for a while soon. But first I will get some water from the lake. So, oh yeah, the camp chair is just absolutely gorgeous. This is glamping for real. Yeah. Onions are cooking there. New potatoes. We have some corn and tomatoes in here. Kota life is very warm in here. For summer use, if it's not raining or we need to try something, even a smaller stove would be nice. On the other hand, this takes the standard size 1 foot or 33 centimeter logs, so that's good. Well, yes, nice. Alright, so let's pack the camp down. I've already packed most of the stuff into the backpack and yeah, taken down the stove and the chimney and put out the fire with some water and so on. So last bits left